We'll now focus on this top/bottom rules section of conditional formatting. Let's come in here and select all of our numbers again and click conditional formatting. And when you hover over top/bottom rules, you see several options right here. Clicking the top 10 items, what this is going to do is it's going to come up with this box again, and you can select whether or not you really want 10 or some other number and how you want it highlighted. We'll select that green again. And so what this has done is it is highlighted in green the top 10 values within this data. Let's say that we created this rule, but we wanted to get rid of it. Here's how you would do that. Selecting your cells once again, you can come here to this conditional formatting button and go to clear rules, and you can select clear rules from the cells that you've selected or the entire sheet. We'll select from the cells that we had, and let's look at some additional options here. The top 10% option does what you would expect. It gives you the top 10% values in your data set. So the number of cell highlights that you get will depend on how many items you have in your list. In this case, we have 29 items, and so 10% of 29 is 2.9, and it rounds down obviously, so we're only seeing 2 highlighted cells right here. If, for example, we came in here and just inserted another line and typed 1 million, that would add an additional highlight because now 10% of 30 is 3. Similarly, if we add another row here and type another big number, it's still going to only show 3 rows. So top 10%, the percent being relative to how many items you have in your list. So let's go ahead and clear that rule again. Excel also allows you to look at the bottom 10 items or the bottom 10%, so basically the opposite of what we were just looking at. There are also these buttons for above average, which takes the average of your selected cells and then highlights anything that's above. So here in the status bar, we see that the average of the cells is 105,000. So if we select above average, and we'll highlight it green because that's a friendlier color, anything above that 105 is now highlighted, and anything below it is not highlighted. We could apply the same rule below average and highlight it in red, and now we can see who's above average and who's below. You can also get additional options by clicking the top bottom rules and then coming down here to more rules. Here's in essence another box that you can use to determine what rules you want. So the top or the bottom, and then you can type any number that you want and click this box if you want it to be the top 10% or the top 10 items. You could even do 5, and then we could format this in yellow. And now the top 5 items are going to be formatted in yellow.